Hi and welcome to the Tiles Tools video channel. As you probably all know, I'm Jim and I sell these machines in the UK. I thought today we'd take a look at one of our smaller models, sort of middle of the range. We call it the Picus. The Picus comes in two sizes. That's the 130 cutting length and his little brother down here, the 105. Okay, so the Picus, the build quality is exactly the same as the big 3 horsepower machine, the Zoe, which I'm probably sure most of you have seen on the various social media sites that we run. The beauty of this machine is it's a smaller motor, a 1.5 horsepower motor, and it just has a 250mm wheel on this version with a cutting depth of 180mm, and it will still quite easily cut 20mm porcelain, normal tiles, blocks and thinner construction materials. People like this machine because it's not as bulky to carry around in the van, and the wheels, obviously the diamond blades, are not as expensive as the big 350 ones. Okay, so this machine, as I said before, is exactly the same build quality as the big Zoe. Has all the same functions. You can still do the plunge cuts with it, up and down. You can still do the 45-degree cuts, and you can still do the long straight cuts with it. The reason I put these two machines here in this position is so that you can see how it looks when it's in its working position and how it looks when you're taking it into sight. So you can literally lift it up and wheel it like a wheelbarrow. Very, very easy to work. Again, with these models, all the accessories are available to fit onto the side rails. That's the extending roller bench, the tabletop pieces that we have, the wings, and the side square, and the laser, all to make your job much easier. If you need one, if you want to talk about them, to technical or anything like that, give us a call on this number. I'm always here to help.